Welcome to Opero and CAWST Learning Series about pit emptying technologies. My name is Edwin Marita, a sanitation engineer at Opero Services. In this series, I will show you technologies that can enable safe pit emptying and help you choose equipment most relevant for your setting. Let's talk about the Gulper One, a semi-mechanized pump first developed in 2010 and introduced to the market by Water for People. This guide will take you through its technical performance, safety of operation, and the cost of owning and operating the technology. This is a Gulper One. It consists of three main components. 2 meters in length is a rising pipe, which can be increased, allowing the Gulper to reach further into the pit. At the top of the rising pipe has a T-junction, allowing sludge to be directed out of the pump into a bucket. Running through the rising pipe is a plunger. A one-way valve is at the base, working with the bottom valve to allow sludge to flow into the rising pipe, with a cage to stop debris from entering the rising pipe and blocking the pumping mechanism of the Gulper. Raising and lowering of the handle opens and closes the valve in series, lifting the sludge up the rising pipe and discharging it through the 45-degree T outlet at the top, under which a container can be placed. These components work together through direct hand pumping action to lift sludge from a pit latrine. The Gulper has received different reviews. While it is effective in emptying watery sludge up to a limited depth, it proves difficult to empty thick waste with debris. There is also a high risk of sludge exposure when using this technology, so it is recommended to wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Constructively, its open design allows skilled fabricators to make it for less than $200, making it an affordable option for safe pit emptying. While its operation and maintenance make it a practical choice, the metal part may need replacement over time due to corrosion. It is important to note that a technology's success also relies on other enabling factors, such as financial incentives, disposal facilities, and support from authorities. Without these factors, the technology may not operate effectively.